Now, if you recall, when we first came out of the brush into the beaches, we saw how the trees, the wood had moved back, and there was a field, and it is possible to cross that field, which would basically be to walk across there, and I did that once. And wait, prepare for me to fall over again here. This looks new. If this breaks, I'm in serious shit. Look at that down there. Yes, it comes through near there. So it's just another little detour, really. I don't like how wobbly this bridge is. There we are. Wait. So this is the end of the beaches now. Over here there are 3 little coves. This is the 3rd. I had dinner in the 2nd. And our journey continues over this sty here on the other side. We're leaving the beaches behind now. So that's the way we've come, over the sty from the beaches, and here is the path that goes to the field. So it's basically a triangle, with this being the bottom to the beaches on one side, and then the field being the pinnacle, and then you come back down this side. So I'm not going to bother to walk there, because I hope you know what a field looks like. If you don't, rewind the tape, because I sort of showed it to you when we burst out of the brush. And now we follow what I call the stony path. It is actually a stone-built path, and it goes on for yonks and yonks and yonks and yonks. All the way, I believe, if I remember rightly, to Burgess Bridge, which will bring us to the start of the 3rd district. I have to say that I'm a little concerned with the river, because there's not usually all this scum. I've been noticing a lot of scum, like just round the corners and stuff. I mean, it's always stagnant down in these sort of wells, these coves, but it's not usually bubbly like that. Some idiot has obviously gone and dumped something in this river further up. It doesn't smell, but it's a bit unsightly. We don't know what it is. I mean, it could be oil, it could be anything, couldn't it? Lovely. The reason the water's brown, I hasten to add, isn't anything to do with that. It's just brown because there's been a lot of rainfall, and that churns up the water, and all the debris, detritus, mixes with the water, so the whole water itself turns brown. Yeah, a bit scuzzy. This was a beach, but it's not a nice one. Anyway, on we go here. We're going up there and then continuing along that side. And the stony road has brought us up the side of the cliff here, and on it goes in that direction somewhere. Oh, maybe it'll help if I zoom out. There we are. But here we have a little seat. We have marvellous viewing. Look at the beautiful beach on the other side. Pity we can't get to it. So I'm going to just have a little drink and then continue. I just love how peaceful it is.